Um, we just had a meeting with Honorable Chief Minister Mr. Conrad K. Sangma, along with a delegation of the leaders of the National People's Party from Dadenggre Civil Subdivision, and we collectively have placed a memorandum for his consideration for the creation and upgradation of the Dadenggre Civil Subdivision to a district. This demand, as we all know, is a demand that's very long due and long pending, and we have apprised, we have informed the Honorable Chief Minister that the people falling under Dadenggre Civil Subdivision are all very united in our demand for the creation for the upgradation of Dadenggre as a full-fledged district. The Honorable Chief Minister has been very positive in his response, and we look forward to a positive outcome of our meeting very soon.